and actually garden friends out there. We are in stage 3 of our potatoes. And I know you can't see me, but I'm videotaping this today and doing the work. We are going to top off all of our plants. Right now we are at the stage where they are making tubulars. Tubulars are baby potatoes, which will eventually make really big potatoes. This is the last stage right before I stop. But we're going to top off all of these containers all the way to the top with our garden soil. If you remember last time, we're using the same one again, the all natural raised bedding container mix, since it's doing so good. We're also going to top it off with some Miracle Grow. We're going to put a few shakes in each container. And if you can't tell, look at them. Don't they look good? They look really good. Before we get started, I wanted you to show our meter again. Let me see if I can find it down in here. Here it is. It's been raining a little bit, and we have a lot of rain coming. That's why I'm out here trying to get this done really fast. And our doctor meter says it is moist. So we're not going to water it today. And the only reason why I'm not watering it is because it is about to rain, like extremely hard. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to walk you through this. It's going to be a quick walkthrough. We're going to open up our Miracle Grow, and we're just going to put some down in here really good. Be careful not to break your little leaves off on your potatoes. And I just shake it. I mean, I don't really measure. I should probably, but I don't. All I'm doing is just shaking it down in here really good. Because once the rain comes, it's going to be good. This one is pretty well topped off. As you can tell, it's all the way at the top. But the rest of them, they need some. They need a little bit more dirt. And the reasoning is, you don't want any of your potatoes to hit the sunlight. Because if they get into the sun, they're going to turn green. And if they turn green, they're going to make you deathly ill. So you don't want that. Alright, so I'm going to put you on the stand for a minute while I come over here and I start putting the container mix in. Working on it, guys. I'll come back in a little bit and show you what the result is. My friends, we are finished now, and this is what it looks like. They're all topped off really well, all the way to the top. Yes, we did bury some of the leaves, some of the stems, but they will come back out at the top. It's okay. Matter of fact, here's a clump. Let's fix this one real quick. But they are all looking really good. Now the next stage is going to be 45 days from now. And we actually should be able to harvest sometime in June. About June the 7th. Because right now they have tubulars. That's stage 3. Stage 4 is when it starts making massive potatoes. Which shouldn't take long. But again, thank you for watching my YouTube, Back to My Roots Living. And I'll see you next time. Remember, God loves you, and so do I.